National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dickson County in Middle Tennessee, southern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, eastern Houston County in Middle Tennessee, western Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:13 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of McEwen, or 7 miles southeast of Erin, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dickson, Erin, Clarksville, White Bluff, Pegram, Burns, Charlotte, Van Leer, Sladen, Cheatham Dam, and Cunningham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. Tornado watch number 9 remains in effect.